rash has been showing parents premium shaggy from generations to generation, and it is a problem. It has always been a problem, although now we have ways that we can use to prevent children from having diaper rash. My name is Diaper, and in this video I'm going to give you tips on how to prevent your baby from having diaper rash. Diaper rash are rashes that children have around their buttocks and their private area. These rashes are usually red. Of course, if your baby is light skinned, if your baby is dark skinned, you may not be able to notice this redness, but you notice that it's rough. Sometimes it may start peeling. It can be very painful and uncomfortable, and your baby will be cranky, always crying. The most common cause of diaper rash is wet diaper. So when your baby's diaper is always wet, always soaked, your baby is likely to have diaper rash. You know, urine has ammonium and this irritates the skin. So when the irritation continues and you don't change it, the pressure from the diaper and everything will just start causing diaper rash for your baby. Also, some babies will have what we call fungal infection around that area and just makes the diaper rash very worse. And to think about it, diaper rash is actually very difficult to treat, but it is very easy to prevent, and that is why I'm making this video today. So to prevent your baby from having diaper rash, first you have to change the diaper frequently. So if your baby's diaper is soiled, once it is soiled, either with urine or with poo, you need to change this immediately. You don't have to wait, just change it immediately. However, if your baby's diaper is not soiled, after like 2-3 hours, please change the diaper, especially in the initial part of life, because you know during this period babies poo a lot frequently, and then a lot of people want to save money and they're like, no, I can't waste money and just be changing diapers. But please, it's easier when you change the diaper earlier than for you to spend money treating diaper rash. Another way to prevent diaper rash is by applying creams. So when I'm talking about cream, I'm talking about nappy creams. So there are some nappy creams, or what they call diaper rash creams, or barriers. So you can even use things like Vaseline, you can use things like pseudo cream. So please, these are not paid adverts, these are just products that I think may be helpful for you. So when you apply these diaper creams around your baby's buttocks and private area, it protects, it serves like a barrier. So it protects your baby from the friction that occurs between your baby and the diaper. So this also helps to prevent diaper rash. Another thing is air drying. So usually, you know, we are always in a hurry to put on another new diaper, always in a hurry to put on a new diaper, but you have to allow that place dry up a little, allow air to flow around that area. So when you want to change your baby's diaper, after removing the old diaper and wiping your baby, please ensure that the place has some fresh air. Let it blow. Let it blow, and this will help to prevent diaper rash. Also, for people that like gang things, you have to avoid diapers that have fragrance and wipes that have fragrance. So you know, you want your baby's butt to smell so nice. Weird people, avoid it, because this can irritate your baby's skin and cause diaper rash. So these are simple ways by which you can prevent your baby from having diaper rash. Remember, you know this thing that they say that as soft as a baby's bum. It's only baby that doesn't have diaper rash that has soft bum. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Diaper, your baby's doctor.